got it. I didn't really get it on video too very well. That bird flew awesome. Do you see it? Okay. Speck, over here.
Speck.
Nice shot, Jay. I don't know if I got it on video though.
Speck, come here. Come here, Speck. Speck, come here.
She might be on another bird. Hey, if you're ready, you might have to put another one up. Hey, Speck, over here. Dead bird. Speck. Dead bird. Dead bird. Come on. Dead bird. Man, she's working. Well, Jay, why don't you just pick it up anyway.
It's alive a little. How do you kill it?
Just grab it by the neck. Jay's first bird killing. And twist its neck. Just wrap it around itself. Just grab it and go. Like that. Ring it once. Or you can just snap it in half, either one. Okay. Jay? I'm gonna get a picture too.